Go West, the song says. So we have Missing Voices on the road. We have gone west. We're in Carmarthen. We're at the Bowls Club. No, I'm not going to go and speak to a bowling team, although I have tried, believe me. We're going to speak to the Wales Council of the Blind today about Missing Voices and politics, democracy and voting in general. So it's going to be interesting to hear their views. The great Ray Gravel said that West is best, so let's see if that's true.
Westcott, I'm living in Carmarthen at the moment. I think one of the things you've seen recently is people complaining a lot about politicians and politicians not listening. I think one of the things I particularly feel after the EU referendum and after the situation in North America is that there's a responsibility upon the electorate to get more involved, to understand the information, to analyse the information, and to analyse it critically as well, not just take things on face value.
So my name is Mared Jadman and I'm from Cardiff. Yeah, so the first vote that I was old enough to take part in was 2012, and I was really excited, and I decided that I was going to go to a polling station instead of postal vote because I wanted to feel a part of it. I turned up and basically asked, do you have an enlarged version or a more accessible version of the slip, and they said yes, but they're only for the blind people. I was like, well, I'm not asking for curiosity or as a joke, I'm kind of asking because I need it. So they kind of awkwardly went and gave me an enlarged, which was A3, something was stamped across it. It's basically just an A3 version of the slip. But they didn't tell me that that was a reference and not something that I was able to use, so I went and put my X in the box, took it back, and they said, oh no, that was just a reference and not something you were actually supposed to cross on. So then by doing that they saw my vote, and I was a bit embarrassed and had to go back in and do it again. It's such quite a scary experience, and something that's meant to be really empowering and meant to be exciting. I just felt like my integrity and dignity was taken away from me a little bit. I think things that would make it a bit easier is if the general form that everyone gets is made clearer, bigger, the contrast is better. Just the general form for everyone could be made more accessible.